Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create infographics with Canva. First, all you need to do is come to the Canva website and log in. Once you've logged in, you may be able to see this infographic option here at the bottom. But if you cannot, what you need to do is come to search your content and type in infographic. From here, you'll be given loads of different templates of infographics that Canva will give to you. As you can see, I can't scroll down, but I can click on show more for it to show more, or at the top, I'll be able to click see all. I'll be taken to a new page showing all the different designs for different infographics. From here, all you need to do is, for example, click on one that you like. I'll click on this one and click on customize this template. Now you'll be able to change all the different design features, elements, text, etc. that you can see here on the left hand side to do with this infographic. You can also move different areas up and down. Once you are happy with your design and you've changed everything that you want to change, simply click up here on the top right to share. And from here, you can then download your infographic. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.